Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be using this Pat McGrath Mothership palette. I can't remember what this is called. I think this one is the Subliminal. I will check and it will be in the description or the title of this. But because I'm starting to hit pan, I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, you can. I'm wanting to use this palette up, and I actually bought a second one already. That's how, like, for sure that I'm going to hit pan, like, on everything. Even though, like, some of them, like this brown color right here and the black one, have hardly been touched. We're going to change that today. So, without further ado, let's get started. We're going to do, like, a blue type of halo eye. So I am going to start by putting this this brown color right here over my brow, or not over my brow, what am I thinking? Over my crease. And I don't want it to be really dark because the lid's going to be so dark with that blue. I'm actually going to use some tape today because I want it to be really precise. So I'm going to put on some tape. Okay, so I have the tape on, and you're going to want to put the tape on the back of your hand a few times if you use it, because you don't want it to be sticky and pull your skin, especially around your eyes, being the skin around your eyes is so sensitive. So I just want to give you guys that tip. Next, I'm going to go in with this brown. I'm just using this regular like shadow brush. It is the vintage Step 1 for the money. And I'm going to put this on the inside outside of my crease, or not my crease, my lid, and then we'll do the top to connect it. Okay, I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to, like, lightly dab it into that black. And I'm going to put this on the very outer, right up against the tape, just because I want to give it a little more depth. And I'm going to just take a blending brush and kind of blend that black and the brown in. Okay, now I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush. It's like a thin brush, and I'm going to take the blue, and I'm just going to put that right on top of the browns. I'm going to pull the tape off so we have an idea of what it looks like. And I am going to take this this vintage brush. It's a short paddle brush, and it's got something on it, but it'll be okay. This is the Step 3 Go Girl Go. And I'm going to take this white that shifts into blue. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I'm going to put that in the center. I'm actually going to use my finger. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the blue to kind of touch it up, and I'm going to use a smaller brush. Okay, now I'm going to blend out the sides a little bit so it's not so sharp. I'm going to take this for the money, and I'm going to do blue on the bottom of my lower lash line. And I'm going to put on some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the finished look. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure you subscribe. Bye!